Pro multi-functional T-square ruler. Now, this thing's actually really neat. I'm gonna put that over there. This is the actual product right here. Not only is it pretty, but it's very functional. You see that nice feedback you get there? It can lock in multiple, positions. So let's say 45 degrees. So if you wanted to cut something at like a 45-degree angle, you could do something like that, right? And you have your nice 45-degree angle. You have 30 and 15, right? Or you just use it as a normal T-square. It's also adjustable, so you could move this down as well, if you wanted to for some reason. All right. Now, on top of that, it also comes with this pencil. This pencil is very neat. There's a couple brands out there that make pencils like this. It's like a Carpenter pencil. It comes with a holster. Really nice. So when you're working, you pull this out, you always have a spot to put it back, and you're less likely to lose it that way. It also comes with normal lead. Oh, sorry, turn it around. Normal lead, so replaceable lead. But this is really nice, very smart. It comes with these colored, like kind of waxy lead. So this would be good for tile. So if you're doing tile work and you need to cut tiles on different angles, you can do that. As well as if you wanted to, you could do something like this. Let's put it back in its position. You also have this down here. So this actually fits inside of here. So, you can put this through and then have the lead stick out the bottom and make a mark on something. Okay. So if you want to do a straight line on something, you always wanted to make a mark at a certain distance, you'd put this in there, kind of just make your mark. So that's really nice as well. I think that's all that I saw, but really nice, really nice product. You can control your mark. I like that it has this feedback, right? It's very, very nice looking. You can see all the different numbers there, different angles that you can set it to. I guess this is for hanging it. That's what I'm guessing. I'm looking at the thing. Yeah, so you can hang this up from these little holes here. But yeah, this is the product. You have the name right there. It also comes with an eraser. Always nice to have an eraser. All right, so this is the Nicpro multifunctioning T-square. It's like your Carpenter square, but like on steroids. I really like it. I'm really impressed. It's like anodized, I think aluminum. So it feels really good in my hands. It's too slippery, not too sticky. I just really like it. It's a really nice product.